at the beach, out with the Manticore. Tide's on its way out. I hope to be here for probably about an hour and a half. Back's still playing up, so I'm being very cautious. I can see where the Tonka trucks have been, so basically I'm going to be going along here, probably only about 200 yards out to the water's edge, or not the water's edge, sorry, to the wet sand, and then that'll be it today. Enjoy and see you at the first hole. Alright, so 22, 23. Says it's quite deep, but it's right on the line. So let's see, small item, or is it there? 23, 25 now. Right, it's out. Yeah, 23, 25. A little bit of aluminium maybe. Of course it is. It's a beaver tail. Oh, there you go. That sounds rough as anything. So 24, 26. Occasionally jumps up to 29, so I'd say a bit of rust. Is it out? Or is it? No. No, it's just coming out rust now. No, 60, 62. Just rust. I'm gonna. Oh, there it is. What is it? Rusty old penny. There you go. Rusty old penny. 64, 65, 65. Yeah, 64, 65. Only 2 chevrons down. So 64, 65. Can't even remember what that would be now. That's out. It's out. An old crappy pound. Look at the state of that. That's been there a while. That's a 2020. It's a 23.24. Not very far down. Possible aluminium. I should have guessed really from the last time. Another beaver tail. Oh, never mind. Alright, so 3, 4, 5, but I can see it on the surface. Just a little tack of some sort, or just maybe a button. Yeah, just the end of a button. One of the popper buttons. That's a 30-31. 30, 31, not very far down. It's out. Oh. It's the nowadays ring pull. I literally just switched you off. There's a 44, 45, 46. Out. Oh, okay. So another dig down then. Just so you can hear. 45, 46. Occasionally going 44. So I'm going to go for a bit of aluminium, I would have thought. Yep, just a bit of aluminium. 66, 67, 68, 69. So I would think probably a pound coin. And it is along the cut as well. The cut. Oh, I'm smoking something it shouldn't be. Now, oh no, £2 coin. Even better. Even better. Oh. There you go, £2. 2021. 2021. Oh, didn't even need to dig it. It's just laying there. It's a 5p. It's a 5p. What's left of it anyway? Alright, it's jumping around. Line was right the way through the line from the bottom corner going up into the top right hand corner. So I'd say it's probably a bit of rubbish. It was I think it was a 43, 42, 43, right the way up to 50. So let's see what we got. Yeah, 43, 44 at the moment. Oh, it's out. It's out. Doesn't sound so good now. So, oh, what's that? There it is. Modern day 2p. Yep, 2p. The microphone and everything's taking longer to connect today, I don't know why, but it's a 2122, so I'd expect it to be a 5p piece. Make sure I've got the right place. Right, it's out. It's out. Is it a 5p? Yes, it is. 5 pence. It's generally a 33. Occasionally drops for 30, 29, 30. And why is that not connecting to my headphones? Let's have a look, see what it is. Oh. That's 29.30. Oh, it's out. It's out. Oh, it's a coin. Oh, it's a 10 pence piece. It's a 10 pence. Yep, there you go, 10p. Alright, that was a 10p there. I've got a 45 to 48 here. It's also giving off a little bit of iron as well. So let's see. Could be a nail or something, I suppose. I don't know. Right, it's out. Alright, let's jump right the way up to 73, 77. There's that a bit of rust there. Yes, it is a bit of rust. It's a coin as well. That's a penny. Yeah, it's a penny. Rusty old penny. Right, so 25, 26, 27. And the right on the dot, right on the line rather. Sounds alright. Not quite sure what it'll be. It could be 10p, I suppose, or it could be I don't know, a bit of aluminium. I get no grunts. Ah, a bit of can. That's that bit. Something else in there. Let's just see if it's the other bit of can. No, it's the ring pull. Oh dear. So, there's the ring pull. And there's the bit of can. Oh dear. Never mind. 45, 46. Still a 45, 46. with an occasional 48. It's out. That sounds like poo now. Sounds like complete rubbish now. Oh, there it is. Another coin. Probably a 2p, I would have thought. Yeah, I would say it's a 2p. Not the best conditions, obviously, because they've been in there a long while. But you can see there's the cut I'm following along. 2p's 2p.